Ruroc, you suck. Put better padding in your helmets. H2 next. It is not $650 quality padding. I'll tell you that much. It's even better in freaking person. Yeah, it looks dope as hell, but it just, I feel like it's, I don't know. I feel like even if I got a smaller one, I feel like it would still feel like not good because the padding's not really like quality. Right. Fuck it, let's roll. Damn, that's raw. Yeah, so we come in peace. H2 next. Shee! So we got an interesting topic today, as you guys are listening to us probably before. As you were listening before when the video started. Hold up. Try not to die real quick. Here it goes. Yeah, so I was saying before the video, when the video started, I would say like I told you guys, I just got the Ruroc helmet. Obviously not wearing it now because I don't have the GoPro mount for it. I didn't order it yet. I don't think I'm going to order one now because I rode it with the Ruroc yesterday to test it out. And the padding is not... padding is not quality. It is not $650 quality padding. I'll tell you that much. Hey, I'm sorry, Ruroc, that I had to do this. I saw other videos saying that, like after I got it, that the padding and shit did not feel like a $650 helmet, and I don't know, I wasn't sure. I guess Ruroc just sponsors big people to talk good shit about them. Because I've seen videos like Killer Cam, Chase on 2 wheels. Yep. So, I guess that's true. I mean, they make some pretty damn nice looking helmets, but yo, safety first, dude. Like, I went to go test ride it with it yesterday on the highway and shit. And the cheek padding is just not there. Like this AGV, it keeps, like I can feel it grabbing my face, like it's squishing it a little bit. Which is how it should be. It should be a little tight. And I know I got the right size. Even if I went down another size, I feel like it would still feel like that just because the padding's not there. But I don't know. It's kind of unfortunate. So I guess I think I'm gonna have to return it. Damn, yours is loud. What? Uh-oh. Yes, sir! But yeah, back to the helmet. Very unfortunate. It has some cool features like the fidlock thing where it just snaps in. That's dope. But what else? I mean, the visor, it was like this one, you can't see, but like it opens up really easily. Like, and the Ruroc one, I feel like it was really like, it was hard to open it and close it all the way, and it was just like stiff. I don't know. The one thing I really did like about it though was how good the view was when you put it on. Like you could see everything, because obviously it's like made for the street. But with the AGV, it's kind of limited, but not really, because it's more of like a race helmet. It makes sense. coming. I'm sorry, I had to do it. Hey, turn. Back to the wet roads, shit. So yeah, I keep going off topics. I just want to ride, you know. Just want to ride. Yes, sir. I need to use my rear brake. That's balance point for you. I need to use the rear brake though. But yeah, I got 3 hours of sleep last night. I didn't go to bed till like 7 and got up at 10. So I drank a bang. My buddy's like, "Want to ride?" I was like, "Sure, let's get it. Let's get this shit. Top of the morning.
Let's get this shit. Let's top of the morning.
So I was like, let's ride in the morning. Got the Browns and Steelers games at 1, baby. Took 20 minutes, so it'll be a good game. Later. Alright. Stand up time. Killer cam mode. Enabled. Oh, the lover. Like, how, bro? Like, hang on, like, oh my god. I could see how that feels good. Yeah. Alright, yeah, this is our topic about stand-ups. I need to make a series on stand-ups. But yeah, back to the helmet, my bad, off topic. It's that no sleep or ADHD or I don't know, bang, I don't know, something. But yeah, so overall, it's just freaking unfortunate that I have to sell the, I'm gonna have to return the helmet. Because it looks so good. And yeah, the AGV ones, like of the iridium carbon and shit, are like $1,500. I'm like, dude, that's insane. Who wants to spend that much on a helmet? So much. I need to get my bread up and then maybe, you know. But yeah, so that's pretty much the news on the helmet. It kind of sucks. But you know, it is what it is. I want to say thanks for the support so far. We were on fire from that one short clip that blew up. Slowing down a little bit now. Come on now, hit that sub button, baby. Let's go, road to 10K. Road to 10K. Hey, the sooner you guys subscribe, maybe the sooner I get an H2 in there somewhere. Oh, and then maybe V4 maybe. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. It'll be a while though. Maybe sooner than you think. I don't know. Just gotta see. Don't be suspicious. Yes, sir. I love my baby. Oh, it's green. That's cool. Let's get this. do? Rev it, rip it, or wheelie? I've never wheelied it under in a tunnel. My wheels are kind of wet. I don't want them slipping. They ain't stopping me. Oh, you heard it. You can hear the tires spin. Oh, you know we got it up there. We got it up there. But yeah, so that's our little. That's pretty much about it. That's about it. That's my rant on Ruroc. Here's that car meet the other day. The Bentley. Red light. Sound like Squid Game. Green light. Alright, but yeah, Ruroc, you suck. Put better padding in your helmets. I don't know why. I don't know. Doesn't make any sense to me. Now I know why they sell for so cheap compared to the AGV. Shit. So yeah, that's a bummer, but that's it. I'm riding. At least I'm riding. Have a good time. So you know, hit that sub button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Over and out. All right, safe.